Two cases of dengue fever were detected in Kolkata one Thursday. एक तो कोरोना ने जीना हराम करके रखा है, ऊपर से डेंगू भी आ गया, एक के बाद एक आफत।
ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो मारो नहीं, ये मजाक हो रहा है। एक सेकंड यार।
Hey guys, it's Twin Surfi and you are watching Health and Physio. This video I want to discuss about dengue fever, symptoms of dengue fever, treatment for dengue fever, and lastly preventing dengue fever. Watch this video till end and subscribe my channel Health and Physio. Dengue fever is transmitted by the bite of an Aedes mosquito infected with a dengue virus. The mosquito becomes infected when it bites a person with dengue virus in their blood. It can't be spread directly from one person to another person. Symptoms of dengue fever. Symptoms which usually begin 4 to 6 days after infection and last for up to 10 days may include high fever, headache, pain behind the eye, joint and muscle pain, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, skin rashes. Treatment for dengue fever. There is no specific medicine to treat dengue infection. If you think you have dengue fever, you should use pain reliever with the acetaminophen and avoid medicine with aspirin, which could occasion bleeding. You should also drink plenty of fluids, papaya leaf juice, and see your doctor regularly. Preventing dengue fever. The best way to prevent the disease is to prevent bites by infected mosquitoes, particularly if you are living in or traveling to a tropical area. Use mosquito repellent even indoors. Use mosquito net when outdoor. Wear long sleeve shirt and long pant to reduce the mosquito population. Get rid of place where mosquitoes can breed. This includes old tire, can, flower pots, drain, small ponds, pets water dishes. If in your homes get dengue fever, especially vigilant about efforts to protect yourself and others family member from mosquito that bite infected family member could spread the infection to others in your home. So be careful and be safe. Thank you for watching.